So before we get into it, I just want to acknowledge the chat. Tony says, good morning. Hey, Tony, nice to see you. Patrick says, I love the musical intro. Thanks for that. Yeah, I try to put some production value into these. You know, I'm a one-man shop over here, but, you know, I'm trying to run a, trying to run a world-class show here. So thank you for, thanks for that feedback. AJ Patro. AJ, today is not necessarily a stream where I'm going to be taking a lot of questions. Today is more on the instructional side, okay? Zed Rangar says, hello, Dennis. Well, hello to you too. Thanks for being here, Zed. Leo Halfeld, a great supporter of the show, says, hey, nice to see you, Leo. Good to see you here. Umair Sams, how to get started as a fresher in a DS field without master's or PhD. Well, this is exactly what this class is about, Umair, so glad you're here. That's exactly what I'm going to cover. I'm going to show you guys how to actually get a project off the ground and actually get started with data scientists. Get started as a data scientist. And again, I'm going to be giving you some of the things that I did. And, you know, just kind of work from there, right? And show you guys how it's actually done, how I actually did it, you know, how I would do it today, things along those lines, okay? Jesse says, thank you so much for this. You're welcome, Jesse. Thanks for being here. Hope you enjoy it. Prince Kara, Prince, I know you've been a fan of the chats before. Thanks for being here. Prince says, hey, Dennis. So Umair also says, thank you, excited for it. Well, thank you, Umair. Stick around. You know, hopefully everybody will be able to learn something. And if something's not clear, feel free to stop me. I'm somebody who's very much, you know, willing to just stop if, you know, something's not clear. I don't mind you interrupting me, so feel free to put something in the chat.